coming in of the inside picture there, because is all well as far as both the camps of the JDU and the BJP is concerned, because there are certain reports suggesting that there could be certain tussle over the deputy chief minister's post. Currently, two of those deputy chief ministers are whether in the previous government, but the JDU has told the BJP that there should be only one chief minister in the new government. Now, this proposal has been made to the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the BJP seems it's not ready for it. And this issue will be discussed at the BJP meeting today when Amit Shah arrives in Patna. As far as when it comes to this new deal is concerned, previously there was a tussle between the two parties over the Speaker of the Assembly, which was resolved at a meeting with Amit Shah in Delhi, and an agreement that was reached that BJP leader would be the Speaker. And now there seems to be what is being reported as a dispute over the position and the post of the Deputy Chief Minister. Currently, when we speak of Samrat Chaudhary and Vijay Sinha, who are holding that positions there, but tomorrow when the new government takes shape, who along with Nitish Kumar would be sworn in, that is a matter of time that there would be clarity as to also take a look who would be part of the new Nitish Kumar cabinet. So साकेत से बात कर लेते हैं इस मुद्दे पर। साकेत, नीतीश कुमार तो हैं, अब स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी की बात करें तो वो गांधी मैदान में होने वाली है। बड़े दिग्गज लोग बीजेपी और जेडीयू और बाकी अलायंस की तरफ से वहां मौजूद होने वाले हैं, लेकिन नीतीश कुमार के साथ और किसकी स्वेरिंग इन होगी, उसके बारे में जानकारी दीजिए।
देखिए, जो जानकारी मिल रही है उसमें डिप्टी सीएम को लेकर मामला सामने आ रहा है कि नीतीश कुमार ये चाह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ एक डिप्टी सीएम ही इस बार हो, क्योंकि मेजोरिटी काफी अच्छी है एनडीए की, तो दूसरे किसी को खुश करने की जरूरत इसमें नहीं है। यानी बार्गेनिंग की कोई सिचुएशन अभी गठबंधन के अंदर नहीं है। इस वजह से नीतीश कुमार और जेडीयू की इच्छा है कि एक ही उप मुख्यमंत्री हो, और सम्राट चौधरी का नाम लगभग इसके लिए फाइनल माना जा रहा है। यानी कि नीतीश कुमार के बाद दूसरा अगर कोई शपथ लेगा तो वो सम्राट चौधरी लेंगे। और जो जानकारी मिल रही है, तकरीबन 10-10 मंत्री फिलहाल दोनों जेडीयू और बीजेपी से शपथ ले सकते हैं गांधी मैदान में। हालांकि ये नंबर बढ़ भी सकता है, लेकिन अभी तक ये जानकारी है कि 10-10 मंत्री को पहली बार शपथ दिलाया जाएगा, उसके बाद एक्सटेंशन बाद में होगा। उसी तरह एक हम का और आरएलएम जो उपेंद्र कुशवाहा की पार्टी है, उन लोगों के एक प्रतिनिधि को कल शपथ ग्रहण कराया जाएगा। और इसके अलावा लोजपा को लेकर मामला चल रहा है कि 2 मंत्री ही लोजपा को मिल सकता है, ऐसी जानकारी आ रही है। तो 2 अगर मिलता है तो लोजपा से 2।
तो अगर क्लैरिटी चाहिए होगी साके, तो आज का ही दिन है, जब तक तस्वीर थोड़ी साफ होती नजर आएगी कि उप मुख्यमंत्री के रोल पर और इस पद पर कौन नेता कौन सी पार्टी से अपॉइंट किए जाएंगे। धन्यवाद आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। बिकॉज मोहित, this time as far as tables have turned in Bihar, it is the BJP which is a bigger party now. As far as this particular issue is concerned, will that be resolved soon with the presence of Amit Shah expected in Patna?
Well, yes, in fact, Amita, the Chanakya of the BJP, Home Minister Amit Shah, by late afternoon or by the evening will be arriving in Bihar. Now he will be going to meet Nitish Kumar to congratulate him on the massive victory that the NDA has achieved. But when it comes to Deputy CM post, Amita, my sources within the BJP say that the system would be same as earlier. BJP wants 2 deputy chief ministers, and in all likelihood that could be sorted, because there was an issue about the speaker's post. Then we saw that how Sanjay Singh and Sanjay Jha, I beg your pardon, and Lalan Singh met Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi. That were hectic parleys, and that has been sorted. So it seems that everything would be sorted, and perhaps that is why Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Patna would be also very, very important, where he'll be having a meeting with the BJP leaders and also will be visiting Nitish Kumar to congratulate him.
All right. And later, as Nitish Kumar will tender his resignation, will stake claim to form the next government. And tomorrow it is expected that again he would be sworn in as the Bihar Chief Minister. But who would be the Deputy Chief Minister, one or multiple? Well, that suspense, however, still continues. Mohit continues to be with us.